Today, we are going to discuss solving problems involving properties of parallelogram. But before that, let us have a short review of the properties of parallelogram. So first, we have opposite sides are congruent. So I'm just going to use the symbol of congruent. And then the second one is opposite angles are congruent. The third property is consecutive angles are supplementary. The fourth one is diagonals bisect each other. And then last, diagonals form two congruent triangles. So those five properties, we are going to apply that in solving problems. Okay, so let us have example number 1. If wx is equal to 2x and yz equals x plus 5, then what is the value of x, wx, yz? So given this figure, we have wx equals 2x and yz equals x plus 5. So the first thing that we're going to do is to analyze the figure. So since we are talking about wx and yz, the relationship between the two sides is that they are opposite sides. And based on the property, if that is opposite sides, meaning we are going to use the property opposite sides are congruent. So we're going to have wx equals yz. And then let us just substitute the given value. So wx is equal to 2x. So 2x equals yz, which is x plus 5. And then combining like terms. So let us transpose positive x to the left side. So we're going to have 2x minus x is equal to 5. And then subtract 2x minus x, so that is 5. So the value of x is 5. Now, if we are going to get the value of wx, we are just going to substitute the value of x. So since wx is 2x, so we are just going to substitute 5 to x. So 2 times 5, wx is 10. And then yz, the same process, we are just going to substitute 5 to x. So we're going to have 5 plus 5. So yz is equal to 10. So they are both 10 because they are congruent. If angle W equals 5y minus 42 degrees and angle y equals 2y plus 24 degrees, what is the value of y, angle W, and angle y? For us to solve this, we need to analyze the figure. So since we have the given angle W and angle Y, we need to see the relationship between the two angles. So as we can see on the figure, they are opposite angles. So if they are opposite angles, we are going to use the property opposite angles are congruent. So if they are congruent, we can write them down as angle W congruent to angle Y. And then substitute the given value. So we're going to have 5y minus 42 is equal to 2y plus 24. And then combining like terms. So we need to transpose 2y. So we're going to have 5y. Since this is positive, it will become negative. Equals 24. And then transpose negative 42. So it will become positive 42. And then combine 5y minus 2y, that is 3y, equals 24 plus 42, that is 66. Divide both sides by 3 for us to eliminate 3 here in 3y. So cancel it out. 66 divided by 3, y is equal to 22. And for us to get the value of angle W and angle Y, we need to substitute the value of Y. So for us to get angle W, we have 5y minus 42. So 5 multiplied by the value of y, which is 22, minus 42. And 5 multiplied by 22 is 110 minus 42. So angle W is 68 degrees. So since congruent lang naman si angle W and si angle Y, so kahit hindi na natin isolve si angle Y, we can conclude that angle Y is also 68 degrees kasi they are congruent. Third example, if angle X is equal to 3A plus 24 degrees and angle Y is equal to 2A plus 16 degrees, what is the value of A, angle X, and angle Y? So as we can see on the figure, angle X and angle Y are consecutive, magkasunod or magkatabi. So since magkasunod sila, the relationship between consecutive angles is that they are supplementary. So we're going to use the property consecutive angles are supplementary. So if they are supplementary, meaning the sum of the two angles must be equal to 180 degrees. So if we are going to rewrite that, that would be angle X plus angle Y is equal to 180 degrees. So same process, substitute all the given values. So we're going to have 3A plus 24 plus 2A plus 16 equals 180. And then combining all like terms. So 3A plus 2A, that would be 5A, plus 24 plus 16, so that would be 40, equals 180. And then transpose positive 40, so it will become negative. So 5A equals 180 minus 40. 180 minus 40, that would be 5A equals 140. So for us to eliminate 5 on 5A, we need to divide both sides by 5. Cancel it out. So 140 divided by 5, that would be A equals 28. Okay, so the value of A is 28. Now, for us to get the value of X, of course, we need to substitute the value of A. So again, angle X is 3A plus 24. So 3A, substitute the value of A, which is 28, plus 24 equals 3 times or 3 multiplied by 28. So that would be 84 plus 24, 108 degrees. So since angle X is 108 degrees, let us move on with angle Y, which is 2A plus 16. So for us to get the value of angle Y, we need to substitute again the value of A. So 2 times 28 plus 16. So 2 multiplied by 28, that would be 56, plus 16. So angle Y is 72 degrees. So as you can see, 108 plus 72, that would be 180 degrees. If WU is equal to 3x and UY is equal to x plus 6, what is the value of x and the value of W and Y? So since we are talking about diagonals here, we have two diagonals intersect at point U, meaning we are going to use the property diagonals bisect each other. Okay, so since we have WU and UY, meaning they are just congruent, because XZ, diagonal XZ, bisect diagonal WY. So let us just substitute the given values. So we have 3x equals x plus 6. And then same process, combining like terms. So we're going to have 3x minus x equals 6. So 3x minus x, that would be 2x. Divide both sides by 2. So the value of x is 3. So let us solve WU. So WU is equal to 3x. So yung x, palitan natin ng 3. So WU is 3 times 3, that would be 9. So kahit hindi na natin isolve si UY, because they are just congruent. So since WU is congruent to UY, meaning WU, which is 9, is also the value of UY, which is 9. WY is yung kabuuan lang ni WU plus UY. So let us just add WU and UY. So we're going to have 9 plus 9. So WY is 18. Okay. So I hope you learned something. Thank you.